is Kemi from RSH-TECH, I'm marketing director. Now I will introduce here. Here is the testing engine. This is the Wi-Fi, European Wi-Fi plug. We will make the engine over 24 hours, sometimes 1 week. This is the IPTV box also. S912, this is the high level analogical IPTV box. And then we will test it here for all procedure. For example, all PCB ports, all in interface, NAND, HDMI, optical and power, and the USB. And this is for connect the LVDS, USB and SD card. Okay. So now we go to here maybe. This is our simple HD media box. It's very smaller and very popular in Amazon also. Then we come here. This is one of the very biggest Korean customer to make this one for advertisement play for the some bread store, chain store. For example, KFC, McDonald's, this kind of chain store. Okay, now we go to our warehouse. Our all material would be here. This is our warehouse. For example, our gift box and the housing and the PCB will be stored here. Okay, I will show you. Oh, this is the cable. Yeah. Power adapter. Okay. This is for project menu. For example, this kind of menu for IoT. Wi-Fi plug. Okay. Oh, this is some stick. The project stick. This stick is for one of the famous customer who is from Japan. We always get the regular order from this customer. Okay, then I think this is for IPTV remote control. So we have different remote control. Would be stay this night. Oh, this is a package. This package is for our all project 9. Okay, I will show you this one. For example, this one the high level package is for our IPTV box. This is the carton box. Okay, this Wi-Fi socket is for our IoT. So one carton box will be one box will be installed 150 pieces. Okay. Inside. Okay. For this is also for color box. This one is like the one biggest customer who is from USA. This is a high-level gift box because they design their box very well and it looks very high cost. And this is the carton box also. Okay, this sticker seems like we will be sticker on the gift box. Okay. Here would be installed some components. Resistor, capacitor, diode, tried, this kind of electronic components. Yeah. Now we go to our finished project warehouse. So once the project finished, we would be stay here, keep maybe some days. It depends on the customer, the development time. If very urgent, we will be shipping at that day. If we need to stay some day, then we just keep here. Thank you.